Hello everyone, we are going to take one hair section and then first making this simple braid, then taking the braid and some more hair, making another braid like this, repeating the same step with the other side as well. Then we're gonna just secure both the braids with the rubber band, then taking hair from both the sides back, joining the braids and making a final braid, and then we're gonna fold them into low bun. Next we're going to take this high ponytail and then we are going to twist it together like this and then roll it out into a round shape bun like this. After that we're going to apply a rubber band, or you can apply any kind of clutcher to it for securing it, and then you can apply any kind of accessories as per your choice to make it look more good and attractive. Now we are going to apply some colorful clips underneath it to give it more interesting look. Next we are going to take some ponytails at the top and then we're going to use these colorful threads into the pony and converting them into braids. Now you can see they look so cute and colorful. When they are done, you can secure them with a rubber band tightly, and then we're going to grab all of the hair together and making this high ponytail. Let's move ahead towards our next hairstyle. Next we are going to make a braid at the back and then we're going to fold it out into a bun and applying these beautiful clutcher with teddy bear. Hello everyone, we are going to take a high ponytail and then applying this bow with ribbons on it, and then along with it we are going to make two braids by dividing the pony into two parts. When the braids are done, we are going to twist them together and then we are going to apply a final rubber band for securing this. Next we are going to take some ponytails at the top and then using this red thread we are going to make some braids. You can even use colorful threads for that. Now when the braids are ready, we are going to secure them by using rubber bands, and you can see your beautiful hairstyle is completed. Next, we're going to section our hair into two parts and making two ponytails. Now dividing the two ponytails into two parts each, and then start taking little amount of hair from both of the sides and then passing it to the opposite side. And then we are going to keep on doing this until we get this beautiful braid done. Now we are going to secure it by using a rubber band. After it's ready, you can even add some more accessories to it to make it look more good and interesting. Now you can see it is ready and completed and looks so good. Next, we are going to take some hair from one side and then we're going to take one by one part of hair to make this braid, and then repeating the same with the other side as well. When the two braids are ready, we're going to grab another pair and start making another braid by taking hair from both of the sides like this. When it is ready, we are going to grab all of the hair from one side along with the braids we have made and making this final ponytail at the end and applying these beautiful pink butterfly clutchers. You can even add some more detailings to it as per your choice, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.